Lexus is teasing another new model for its lineup, this one called the LBX, which is expected to be a light crossover related to the Toyota Yaris Cross. Though Lexus has not divulged any details aside from the two teaser images that show a close-up of a headlight and the rear lighting signature, speculation is pointing a Toyota Yaris Cross-like SUV that will slot in below the UX. This means it will be built on Toyota's Taniga platform, which is also shared with the latest Yaris and overseas Aqua, and could be the first premium light SUV in Australia. For reference, the Yaris Cross is available with either a 1.5-liter petrol 3-cylinder engine outputting 88 kW per 145 Nm,